Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If somebody is new here, my name is Shahida. I am a beauty specialist and blogger and a YouTuber. I started YouTube not very long. I'm reaching somewhere, I know, but I am trying to be consistent, and pray for me and show me lots of love and support me, please. So today's look, it's a very quick makeup look. You guys should be finished it by 10 to 12 minutes max, and in the video I mentioned that what you can skip, what not, but entirely your choice. But the concept is a very quick soft quick pink look, and I am sure you guys are gonna love it. I am 100% sure. I am obsessed. I love it. I am very satisfied today for some reason with this look. So please watch it how I created this look, and then if you like it, I'm sure you're gonna like it, but if you like it, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and follow me on the Instagram and Snapchat, and stay with me. I love you all. I'm using the Benefit primer. Before you use it, shake it because there is some golden particles. You want to blend it with your oil. I like to wait few seconds after this, just a few seconds to absorb the oil on my skin. So this is pretty much my foundation, and as usual I'm gonna blend it with my damp beauty blender. So I'm gonna cut it from here, and then when I blend, when I'm doing the highlight and contouring, I'm back with my contouring routine. So I did these things, not that I didn't want to do it in the camera, as I said before. So I'm gonna show you guys, just notice that I have contoured this part with hoola bronzer, and this part underneath my double chin nose. And if this is a new thing I just learned from Irene, I have put this Laura Mercier's, it's called a Secret Brightening Powder. So if you notice, just underneath my eyes is that whitish powder, and after that you see that pinkish powder. This is from Becca Pink Hazel. This powder is it's called Pink Haze, not Hazel, Pink Haze. This is the powder I just bought yesterday, and this, I know it's gonna make a big difference. You guys will see. It's gonna make it look more fresher, and instead of just a one color powder that it's looking pink, but when you blend in, it's not gonna look pink. It's just give you a little freshness. And on the side of after this hoola, I put C2 from MAC. Yeah, I do number like this. That's it. So now I'm gonna blend it with my big brush, my all-time favorite Morphe R3 brush. I'm just gonna blend the lighter one, but I will keep my under eye just for the, not for the fallout. If I do the eyeshadow, if any fallout, that's why. But I'll clean the pink and rest of the face, and then I'll come back to you guys again. But I'm using one brush. I like to do my brighter part first, then the contour part, so that brush doesn't get darker before. Okay, so now I blended and came back with you guys and I did my eyebrows because that's really make me nervous in front of camera every time. It takes a long time, and I put the soft worker already. This is from MAC for my eyeshadow base, and I use my finger to put it and then I blend it, but I don't like it too tacky, but I put just a little bit of powder, and I use this Bobbi Brown brush, just a translucent powder, and dab it a little bit, not too much powder, then you lose the tackiness. And let me get back some color on my face. I'm looking like a white ghost. I'm gonna use today the blush from Chanel. It's called Rose Petal, and using my all-time favorite brush, R36 from Morphe. Just later on I'll put more, but at this point I just wanted to have a little bit of color on my face. So as I said, this is gonna be a very easy eye makeup. I'm using the Dose of Colors. It's called Shell. This front part, it has a 2-in-1. The front part is a creamy eyeshadow and underneath is the powder one. So no brushes, nothing, just I'm taking this one and just dabbing it with my finger only. As you guys can notice that I didn't put any transition color also, but you'll see there will be some color, but just see, because as I promise I will try to, a lot of requests comes from my salon client, from the viewers, that make it something simple, easygoing. So that's the whole. I'm gonna clean my finger, and now we're gonna play with the powder one. I'm gonna take that pink powder on the same container palette and then use 421 from Morphe, of course, and dab the powder. You see how easy it is? You see that? I'm just using the powder shadow from the same container. So for the transition color, and I'm gonna give some deeper color here also, I'll show you guys. Remember those limited edition Morphe small mini palettes? I'm taking these palettes. I think it was limited edition, I believe so, and there is no name, so I'm taking the color, this one, for my, as my, just a little transition color. I'm using the Dose of Color pencil brush and using from the same palette the deep purple color for my outer corner. You guys can skip this part because it's gonna look as it is very pretty, but just for a drama and have a very big eyes. So if I do a little darker on the corner, apparently it looks little smaller than usually my eyes looks. That's it. See, there's not much I did. And then just a little bit blending here. Blending cannot go wrong. There is no end of blending, no limit of blending. That's what I probably meant. I'm using this palette from Gerard Cosmetics for my underneath the eyebrows highlight. And on my tear duct also, the same color. So now, see, it's not long. You need to take long time for this. I'm just playing and talking. And then now I'm gonna put the eyeliner, and not a big wing, very soft, because as I said, it's a very simple makeup, but to me simple has to be glitter, but time consuming. I meant as a time consuming, it's not a very time consuming makeup. So I'm gonna put the eyeliner and mascara and maybe lash, maybe not. So today I'm not using any gel eyeliner. I'm straight going to the liquid eyeliner, which is my favorite, super favorite. I cannot live my life without this eyeliner. Wet n Wild Megaliner. They have one with a very fine brush like this, and one is little thicker. Both of them are fantastic. For eyeliner today, I'm gonna use from Girlactik pencil. It's a very nice pencil. This one, Girlactik. the black one. They have brown also. They have beautiful pencils, and most of the time when I see how easily it's going, come on man, did you ever seen any pencil go that easy on your eyes? And 99% kohl pencil I cannot put it, except the Inglot or MAC I use because it's lead free. I tear, but I'm a very tough person. I don't like, you know, react with anything badly ever, thank God. But for some reason, only the kohl pencil, any kohl pencil, I start tearing or my eye get very watery. I swear I have tried not one company I can name. This is Tamanna gave as a gift, so I said, okay, let me try at least. Everything you have to try. If you don't try, how will you know? That's my philosophy of life. First love, first kiss, first baby, first marriage, first home. So you have to try first. I am in love, girls. So for mascara, I am using this as my primer. Always you use primer, that will save your lashes. In my young life, I didn't bother. I had such beautiful lashes. I used to get punished in the school, you know, in back home. Before the class starts, they have assembly. The teachers will call me and say, you are in school and you still have so much of mascara. I was obsessed with my eye. So I lost all my mascara. Oh my god. I lost all my lashes. So now I'm trying to save them. As far as the mascara, I'm using Maybelline. It's collaboration with Shala, the makeup artist. Okay. For lower, I'm using this from MAC. Extended mascara from MAC for my lower lashes. I'm gonna put some powder from Sephora. Sometimes things happen, so you just have to know how to minimize that. Okay guys, so I finished my other eyes and put the lashes only off the camera, but I did something. I know you guys gonna make a laugh about it, that this is simple makeup. For me, this is very simple, because as I said, simple could be gorgeous, but not as I didn't mean to say simple makeup, but less timing, not time consuming. But I did I was debating that I'm not going to do the lower line, but I did this pencil. This is from YSL, Yves Saint Laurent, but please, if you can afford, buy it. This pencil, if suppose you don't do no makeup, just you had a moisturizer, you have to run to the mall or somewhere very quick, trust me, this pencil just put underneath, it just makes it look, even brown skin, white skin, doesn't matter. Try it. When you go, if you don't want to buy, just try it in the, when you go to the mall, tell them this. I will in the link I will mention the number and everything. It's an amazing collection. I have 3-4. Even though if I'm not doing makeup, I'm home, I'll just put the moisturizer and put underneath this. This looks so fresh, and I don't know, it looks very dreamy to me. Anyway, so now comes to the lipstick part. So I'm gonna use my NYX lip pencil, and I'm gonna use the lipstick from Grad Cosmetics. It's called Vintage Rose, and on top of that I will use the Snob from MAC as a lip gloss. So that's the deal. Okay guys, this was my combo. NYX lip pencil, Vintage Rose lipstick from Girlactik, and MAC Snob on the top. So this is it. Now the fun part. You know what it is, right? I don't have to say. And this concludes my makeup. I have lens blue, and you can skip the, as I said, the corner part, just this dose of colors, this one, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this look. I loved it. I really love it now. It came out exactly what I visioned. Pink lipstick, pink blush, and pinky. And my necklace is a vintage also. It's a very bulky, very old necklace. Earring is so it's okay. It's not that anything great. And I didn't do much hairstyle today, simple. So if you like this video or any of my video, you know what to do. If you love me, support me, please. I'm trying my best. And if you love me, you just share the video, subscribe, and follow me on Snapchat and Instagram by the name of Glamby Shahida. Until my next video, stay well, love yourself, and I love you all for all the love you guys give me and that inspire me to do this job. So until then, bye and Khuda Hafiz.